What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I gotta be kind of quiet because it's really early and my neighbors are gonna think I'm insane for standing in my garage talking to a camera. But here's the deal. We've got a very large parts list, actually parts pile we gotta go to Memphis and pick up for the New Edge Coyote swap. So I will explain en route. That is the deal today. Let's go. How's everybody on this fine Sunday morning?
There you go.
So normally I'd be sleeping in, you know, laying in the bed. No, we don't sleep in at all. Anyway, guys, here's the deal. Yeah. So the 4i that we had on the channel way back when. We actually have a guest here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you're looking at this car, you're like, you know, pretty stock body. It's still got the pinstripes on it. It's got these, I don't even know, I guess those are Prime. They kind of look like Pro Stars. But other than that, you know, got chrome mirrors and all that. I believe it's an 84. But then you come under here, you're like, whoa, look at that.
What?
Coyote. So, yeah, but this car is actually, prop rods right there. Lift it up. This car is actually out of Memphis. A guy brought it to us, and we are going to be doing his cluster. He got the Dakota Digital. And if you guys have not seen the 4i clusters, they're pretty sick. Yeah, that is the 4i cluster, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, they make them for, I guess they'll fit all of them because all the dashes are pretty much the same.
That's nice.
But yeah, that is the 4i cluster. So we're going to get that wired up here shortly. But yeah, pretty sick little car. Straight.
Good, yeah.
Super straight. Obviously original paint. Molding is original. Got a little blue in the molding. I dig it. Mild. It's actually not very loud. His name is Lee. He's going Gen 2 motor and 6R82, right?
I think so, yes.
Yeah. So essentially, he had his entire setup for sale, which kind of worked out for. Damn, man, that was a rough one. Kind of worked out because by the time Ray was looking for his parts, and so we got a whole swap basically in a box for your car, and we had to strike while the iron's hot. So we're up early Sunday morning to go get this thing. All right, boys, in an attempt to get to Memphis pretty quick this morning. Well, maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not.
I think you got lucky this morning.
You got tired of me.
Yeah, we thought he had, how fast we go?
85?
Yeah, 55, right? Yeah. transmission, everything out of the car, and about to get everything loaded up here. I know y'all remember this car. This is Lee's 4i. So we got K-member headers, got the Tremec TKO 500, 18 intake. She's ready. I'm trying to back your truck up in here.
Yeah, yeah, go get it. You got the key, don't you?
Yeah, I got it. All right, yeah, I'm gonna get it. I bet you just lift that train. I got cooks, 1 7/8. Yeah, don't set it on that wire. And that's about all you got as far as coming back. That's about on that ramp.
Set her down.
They're down. All right. Oh. That's it. All right.
It's cold-blooded right there.
Yes, sir.
Good thing we showed up, man. Y'all still be wrestling with this thing.
I would have got it now. I would have to go on that.
Yeah, I give y'all credit trying to do it right here in the driveway. That's no fun.
That's where they got put in at.
Yeah, right?
That's where it all started.
I put some T5s and clutches in the driveway, but I don't know about a coyote.
I did the T5 and the clutches too in the driveway. I had my 86 T-top. Just that.
Yeah. Try to get this out of the way. Oh, I ain't get shit. All right, boys, we're loaded up. Got her in the bed. You can see her back there. Get to rolling. All right, boys, so success. We got the engine. This is a Gen 1 Mustang engine, crate engine out of Lee's car, and then got BBK long tubes, Tremec TKO 500, Pro 5.0 shifter, QuickTime bell housing, 18 intake. So this is going to be perfect for Lee's swap. And then, oh yeah, I got the aluminum drive shaft too, boys. So we are good to go. This is, of course, all going in Lee's new Edge. So if y'all are excited about the new Edge Coyote swap, this is the entire drivetrain. So we're going to be getting busy on that bad boy very, very soon. So now we got Starbucks drink. Now we gotta go pull motors out.
We gotta go eat, man. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta eat. What are we gonna eat? We're in Midtown Memphis. We're gonna eat something good that we don't have at the house. But anyway, guys, next upload you'll see, I'm pretty sure, we will be pulling the 2-valve out and start wiring up. Guys, this swap's gonna actually go pretty fast.
Hope so.
I mean, we're not doing any 5 lug, we're not doing anything like that. So
Lots less.
basically, drop the engine in, wire, and not sure any issues we'll run into, but you'll see them all right here. So if you're trying to do this swap or thinking about this swap, we got you covered. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we're gonna go eat. Yeah, we're gonna go eat later.